dang fools! This way! Stay out of the marsh! Stay out of the marsh! Oh no!
The Monster Mansion is one of the Penguins' favorite attractions here at Six Flags Over Georgia. Each year since covering the ride in 2023, enhancements were made. The Penguin asked Ms. Kristen why the attraction continues to be freshened up.
Continuously working on Monster Mansion. Our animations team is very proud of that work. And so as you were in there, you saw a lot of the things like the one section. If you look right at some of the monsters, you can tell their fur has been recovered and redone. A lot of the animation pieces are actually functioning that were not previously. But one of the really cool things that we added this year is when you first come into the ride, there's that camera that takes your photo and puts it on the screen. Now you can purchase that picture right in Coaster Candy. So when you enter you come out of the exit, it's in those windows right as you come out. It's a really cool experience for the guests. So we're gonna keep adding and doing little Easter eggs throughout there. So you gotta keep coming back and riding.
And now it's time to ride with the Penguin and Trinice with Robert in spirit.
All right, me and Trinice is gonna ride Monster Mansion, the 2026 version. It gets better every year. Let's see what's inside.
I haven't been on it in a while, but let's check it out. Oh, okay, I needed that. I forgot they changed it.
Hey y'all, it's time to make your best monster face. So smile for the party. 1, 2, 3.
You got it.
Howdy, y'all. Marshal Billy Bob Fritter here saying, as you travel and float, keep your hands in the boat. Oh, and remember, don't go to the marsh.
Don't be frightened, child. They're only humans.
No, you dang fools! This way! Stay out of the marsh! Stay out of the marsh! Oh no! Cannon ready? Fritter, light that fuse. Ready, aim, and fire! Oh, yeah! Lucky for you guys, I found this here cannon.
Am I glad to see you? I thought for sure y'all were goners. Everyone having fun? Good, good. So happy everyone made it out of that scary old
Welcome back, y'all. These remain seated until your boat comes to a complete stop and you're told it's okay to exit. Thanks for riding, and y'all come back and see us.
That was so awesome. The changes was so much better. Would I do it again? I would. Anybody check out my